Imagine you're working on a project and you encounter a problem where you need to reformat strings in a code source file to resemble C++ raw string format. This problem can be a bit tricky, especially when dealing with special cases like multi-line strings and different types of string delimiters. It's a situation that can test your Regex skills and creativity in finding a solution that works effectively. Now, let's dive into the solution provided earlier to address this formatting issue. The key to solving this problem lies in using a well-crafted Regex pattern to identify and manipulate the strings within the code source file. By focusing on a specific Regex pattern, we can effectively target the strings that need to be reformatted while preserving the structure of the original code. In the provided solution, the Regex pattern precode kid equals s scares docstring some underscore detailed underscore notes asterisk equals asterisk s asterisk 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 plus asterisk asterisk. Code is designed to capture and enclose the identified strings in C++ raw string delimiters. This pattern ensures that only the target strings, such as docstring and some underscore detailed underscore notes, are reformatted while maintaining the integrity of the surrounding code. Moving forward with the implementation of this solution, it's crucial to apply the Regex pattern to the code source file and replace the identified strings with the appropriate C++ raw string format. By following this approach, you can achieve the desired outcome of reformatting the specified strings in the code source file accurately and efficiently. Continuing with the explanation of the provided code snippet, it's essential to understand how each component of the Regex pattern plays a role in identifying and transforming the target strings. By breaking down the pattern and focusing on its individual elements, you can gain insight into how the reformatting process is carried out step by step. As we reach the final stages of implementing the solution, it becomes clear that the careful construction of the Regex pattern is key to ensuring the success of the string reformatting task. By leveraging the power of Regex in this context, we can effectively automate the process of converting the strings to C++ raw string format, while handling special cases like comments and parentheses with precision. In summary, tackling the problem of reformatting strings in a code source file to resemble C++ raw string format requires a strategic approach that combines Regex expertise with a deep understanding of the specific formatting requirements. By following the provided solution and applying the Regex pattern diligently, you can seamlessly transform the strings within the code source file to meet the desired format. Good luck with your coding endeavors, and remember, keep regexing like a pro. And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this solution, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. Remember, a Regex a day keeps the bugs away. See you in the next video.